Hinan Agrism SmartLink MFG Machinery Company Limited, based at the forefront of China's agricultural technology upgrade, is a modern integrated solution provider of organic fertilizer equipment, integrating R&D, intelligent manufacturing, sales, and service. The associated factory is located in Xingyang, Zhengzhou, with a 30,000 square meters modern manufacturing base, with the core mission of leading fertilizer technology with full chain automation and empowering a new global agricultural landscape with on-a-stop service. The company deeply integrates intelligent equipment technology with the concept of green circular agriculture, building a complete intelligent production line from raw material processing to finished product packaging, and is committed to becoming a key driver of sustainable agricultural development globally. ASL has assembled an elite team of top talents from multiple fields such as agricultural engineering, mechanical design, and intelligent control, with core team members possessing over 10 years of industry experience. ASL leverages its strong R&D and intelligent manufacturing capabilities to develop a full range of production line solutions covering 3 core categories: organic fertilizer, NPK compound fertilizer, and BB fertilizer. Simultaneously, it has created a high-end product matrix of key single machine equipment such as compost turners, fermentation tanks, and crushers. The company can provide customized production line designs for large, medium, and small scales. Its intelligent fermentation system shortens the raw material composting cycle, and its precision granulation technology ensures a high product qualification rate. Whether for larger-scale agricultural enterprises, ecological breeding bases, or new agricultural cooperatives, ASL can create dual growth in economic and ecological value for its global customers.